One like to make it sound like Pat Thrall? It's going to be a hard one, isn't it? I absolutely adore Pat Thrall, and he's one of these guys, I think, Todd Sharp, Ray Gomez, Danny Johnson, you can't really go and buy 30 Pat Thrall albums. I'm sure Pat's played on way more than 30 albums, but it takes a long time to track them down. You know, there's Meatloaf, Automatic Man, Asia. You know, I got the DVD of Asia in Russia quite recently, and there is one absolutely unbelievable. I mean, it's all good, but there's one bit by Pat that's just off the scale. When Pat Travers welcomed Pat Thrall, two Pats, into the fold in the late 70s, I think all of us were just like, you know, who is this guy, you know? And I think he'd been a legend in San Francisco, I think it was San Francisco already, and he'd done the two fusion albums with Automatic Man, with Michael Sheaf from Santana and the drums, and I think everyone thought that band was going to be huge. But nothing compared to how big we all thought the Hugh Thrall album was going to be. And one of the things about Pat Thrall is he always leaves you wanting more, you know, and we all say that about guitar players, you know. The best thing would be to leave you wanting more. I kind of like to be completely sated, to be quite honest. You know, I'm quite happy if somebody I like, you know, plays for a long time. But, you know, a Pat Thrall solo was always like, phew, it was just by, you know, and you're going, well, that was sensational, but it's gone, you know, it's gone in a heartbeat. On Hold Out Your Love, he suddenly plays, he changes the tempo, he suddenly plays a, now that might maybe not sound much when I'm playing it, but what's happening is off a 5-note scale, an E, in the middle of it, rather than playing at a strict tempo or even a fairly uneven tempo, Pat suddenly moves to the B note and bends it in a really sleazy manner. So you've got this, but in here suddenly, go and listen to the record and you'll find that lick, it just, man, it just floors me every time. Sorry, I wasn't looking what I was doing there. Apologies to Pat, I played an E flat there. The lick is, and it kind of goes against the flow, the rhythm of the song. But you know, the Pat Thrall lick, and I've asked this many times online, you know, do you call this the Gary Moore lick? Do you call this the Doug Aldrich lick? What do you call this? And the lick I'm talking about is, you know, like that one. Now you can look at that as the tonality being an A, because they're coming off a ninth. If you like, you can look at it in a few places actually. It could be coming off a B for June. But I tend to play that lick. If I'm in E, I tend to put it here. So in that case, I'm coming off the ninth. So that's B, C, E, G. Go down one fret. Don't ask me to name the notes. B flat, B, E flat, F sharp. A lot of sharps and flats. So first time, mute it, or not. Drop an octave. And you kind of, in your head here, you know, because Gary Moore used that. Like, they both did it brilliantly. Pat did it brilliantly. Gary did it brilliantly. And in recent years, I've heard Doug Alder's got this huge stretch, which, believe me, I don't have, to play it right down the bottom. But that lick, for me, I think again, I don't know if this is your aim, but if you're playing in a covers band or something, and there's some wild soloing going on, and you suddenly just play it, I think somebody would probably go, "Whoa, that guy likes Pat Thrall," and that's always a good thing because he is one of the absolute all-time greats.